Hi, this is Kelly at Memory Bound, and I want to show you for this week's video these really nice card kits. If you're thinking about making holiday cards, these kits from Photoplay are a really great way to do it. And they make 8 cards, but they really make more than 8, and I'm going to tell you how. We have this one that's called Christmas Memories, another kit called Kringle & Company, also from Photoplay. You get a sheet with colored pictures of all the cards. In the back are instructions. It looks like a lot of words, but I read them all and it's not hard at all. They're pretty precise. Then you get 3 different sheets of paper and you get 2 sheets each. And they're labeled paper 1, paper 2, and paper 3. Also get your sticker sheet, which you're going to be using to make the cards. The last thing that comes in your kit are 8 card bases because it makes 8 cards. A tip before you get started is to gather your supplies. So if you like to use foam tape, you're going to want some foam tape, foam squares in big and little, a tape adhesive, and then you're going to need some baby powder or one of these EK Success powder tools because we're going to transform stickers into die cuts. And of course you need scissors and a trimmer. We're going to make this card right down here with Santa Claus that says Happy Holidays. I look back on my directions, I find Happy Holidays. To start, I'm going to get my card base and I'm going to fold it in half because that's what cards are. My directions tell me to go to sheet number 2 and to cut out the red pattern paper that's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. You could do that with scissors or you could get a trimmer, a slide trimmer where I can start right here and I can cut just down to where I need to cut and I've got my red piece. You can do some optional inking on your edges if you want to. So I put that right on my front. It tells me from sheet 2 that I need to cut out this gold piece here. You can do it with your scissors if you want to and just cut along this line. My next piece I'm going to attach right in the middle of my card. You can use foam tape or foam squares. I'm going to use foam tape. I'm kind of liking the foam tape. Foam tape on all 4 sides and then this goes right in the middle of my card. It's looking good already. So the directions tell me which stickers to pull off my sticker sheet. But they're not going to be stickers, they're going to be die cuts. And guess how we're going to do that? We're going to take our sticker and our EK Success powder tool and we're just going to brush the back of it with powder and then it no longer is sticky. This is a nice tool and a lot of people don't realize stickers don't have to be stickers. Then we're going to take this piece off of paper number 3. We're going to cut this circle out. Okay, so we're going to attach our little circle piece we cut out of paper number 3 right to the edge of this. I'm going to stick my 2 tags together. A lot of layers to these cards and a lot of dimension. Foam squares on the back of my Santa and my tree, and I'm going to hook them right here to this piece, my little tag piece. So I'm taking my little piece I built with the tags and Santa and my Christmas tree. And then they're going to go right here on the top of my card. And all I need is the message. And I'm going to pull that right off of my sheet here. And I'm going to stick it right down here below. We just made a really pretty Christmas card. And guess what? This kit makes 8 cards. And the neat thing is, I didn't have to think about it. I didn't have to do any designing. I just had to get my supplies and follow some directions. Okay, so I made 8 cards and look, I have 3 full sheets left, sheet 1, 2, and 3. So what I learned that is pretty cool is we have a sticker sheet available that you can purchase and you can make another 8 cards with your kit. You have all the paper, all you need to do is get this extra sticker sheet for $2.99 and it makes 8 more cards. So come on in, get started on your holiday cards, check out these kits from Photoplay, get an extra sheet of stickers so you can make 16 cards instead of 8, and get ready for the holidays. Thanks for watching and have a great week.